Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you oven roasted Tandoori leg quarters, and I'm going to share some tips with you how we can improve our cooking. And the way I'm going to make it, the leg quarters is going to be juicy, moist and tender. And without wasting any time, let's get started with the ingredients. I'm going to use 5-pound leg quarters. It's fresh. It's a personal choice. You can keep the skin on, but I'm going to remove the skin. I'm going to wash it. Then I'm going to share some tips with you. All the spices are 1 teaspoon each: salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, red chili flakes. It's going to be hot. 1 cup homemade dahi yogurt. Half teaspoon food color. This is strictly optional, but if you want to achieve the tandoori texture, tandoori flavor, then the color is must. So the first step will be removing the skin and washing it. Get a mixing bowl. First we're going to bring all the dry ingredients: garlic powder, salt, cumin powder, ginger powder, red chili flakes, red chili powder, coriander powder. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to bring dahi. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring the food color. So mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to set it aside. Get the cutting board. We're going to get the paper towel. The leg quarters washed. I took out the skin and trimmed the fat, and we're going to make sure we're going to pat it dry. Once it's nicely dried off, then we're going to make 3 cuts. 1, 2, and 3. On the back side, we're going to do a 2 cut. 1 on the drumstick, and this is very important cut. There we're going to draw right here. The reason we're doing it, because a lot of fats are accumulated here. Either you take the fat out or you make a cut. When we're going to cook it, it will melt away. After making 2 cuts on this side, 3 cuts on this side, I'll place it in our marination. And we're going to make sure that it's nicely marinated and the masala goes in each cut. And now I'm going to finish up the same way as I have done with this one. This is the last piece. 3 cuts on this side, 2 cuts on the back. And we're going to place it inside the bowl, and we're going to make sure that it's all nicely coated. Once it's nicely marinated, we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. The marination is always better for longer period of time, but I'm going to marinate only for 2 hours. We're going to preheat the oven, so bake, and I'm going to keep the temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. The way I cook it, I put the tray on the bottom rack. I fill with the hot water, and we fill the tray all the way up. Each oven contains these racks. So we're going to use this rack and we're going to place the chicken leg quarters on top of it. We're going to close it. And if I turn the light on, that's the water in there. It's 10:46. It's going to take about 15 minutes to preheat the oven. It's $4.99. Our oven is preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Chicken marinated for 2 hours. I'm going to open it, so be careful. It's really hot and steamy. And I'll put the chicken leg quarters right on top of it, just like this. We're going to close it. It's 11:04 and we're going to come back at 11:34. We're going to cook half an hour. Then we're going to turn around and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. Within 40 minutes, tandoori chicken leg quarters will be ready. It's 11:33 and now it's 11:34. Exactly 30 minutes. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to flip it real fast. So be careful when you open it. Don't burn yourself. And it doesn't take that long. Now we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to turn up the oven. It's 11:43, 1 more minute to go. It's 11:44, I'll turn the light on and you can see the chicken is fully cooked and it's nicely done. And I'm going to turn up the oven. And now we can take the chicken right now or we can let it sit inside the oven for 10 minutes. Once it's cooled down, then we'll take it out. I'm going to wait only 5 minutes, and be careful, it's still hot, very hot. And I'm going to take it out. Our tandoori leg quarters, let me share with you. Our tasty, delicious, oven roasted tandoori leg quarters. They are very moist, tender, and juicy. And before serving, fresh lemon juice, and then with the rice flour. This is the perfect chicken, and you can serve it any time of the day. I hope you like this recipe. If you haven't cooked with the water, please try this and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.